Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor and welcome to my studio. So today I'm going to be unboxing some of these prints that are going to be part of this limited edition print run that I'm doing. So I just wanted to show you how these will be received. They'll come in a box. They'll actually have a sticker with my logo on the box that comes to you. And these are the Photo Rag Giclee prints. So there's an outside package there, and then okay, and this is luminous. And this is on the Photo Rag paper. So, oh my goodness, this paper is so beautiful. This is 100+ year archival paper. And the colors just pop off the canvas. I mean, it really looks great. And I think they sent me one other one as well. And this is acid-free paper that it's wrapped in as well. And this is Golden Isle. Just wanted to give you an idea of what these are going to look like. And they will also come with a certificate of authenticity that has the number and the edition included, and I'm actually going to be receiving a framed copy of these as well, and I can show you what that certificate looks like. But these are going to be released in limited editions of 80 per piece, so they will not be available in this format again, at least this particular work in this particular format. So yeah, all right, would make a great gift. They're released on November 26th, which is Small Business Saturday. And I hope you'll consider getting one. All right, bye. Have a beautiful day.